Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make chili honey potato. Yes guys, this is loved by many people and also I have been told to try out this recipe. So just go through the ingredients and the recipe. It is very delicious and very tasty to make it. To make chili honey potato, cut the potatoes in french fries pattern, equal size french fries pattern, and keep it in water for around 15-20 minutes. Later on we will start preparing the coating for this. Now in a mixing bowl, take around 4 to 5 tablespoons of plain flour and around 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add around 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil to it. Salt to taste. And crush some black pepper. And now mix this well. And now dump in all the potatoes into it and mix it well. Once they are mixed well, keep it aside. Now in another bowl, take around 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add salt to taste and around a tablespoon of oil to it and mix it well. Now slowly add water to it to form a thin batter. Now I have started to heat up the oil in a saucepan. What I'll do is I'll just take one potatoes, I'll dip into it and I'll put it to fry. Heat the oil on a high flame, and when it just starts to turn a little bit golden brown in color, remove it from the oil and let it rest for 5 minutes or so and then refry it. After 10 minutes of resting, again add the potatoes one by one. On a medium flame, let the oil be on medium flame and fry it again, so it will become very crispy. On a slow flame, it will just take little bit time, but the chips will be very much crispy. So it's done now, so I'll start removing it from the oil. Now to make the sauce, take a saucepan, heat it up and add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute it for around 30 seconds. Add the onions, the spring onions, and mix it well. And saute for another 1 minute or so. Keep the flame to be high. Add the peppers, colored peppers I am using. Again saute for around 30 seconds. Add around half cup of finely chopped carrot and a cup of cabbage. Add around a tablespoon of soy sauce. And a tablespoon of vinegar. And a tablespoon of chili sauce. Mix it well. Add around 1 to 1.5 cups of water and let it simmer. To this, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour dissolved in water, around half cup of water. Corn flour should be added when the sauce starts to boil. For another 5 minutes, I'll just simmer it again. Add salt to taste. Add around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and mix it well. Now the sauce has got quite thick enough, so I'll take it off the flame and I'll let it rest for a few minutes so that the vapors just escape. Now after a few minutes, just dump in the fried potatoes into the sauce. Just mix it. Mix it well. Add a tablespoon of honey onto it. Now mix it well again. The honey will give a very nice glaze to the potatoes, a very nice shine. Garnish with some sesame seeds and spring onions, and it is ready to serve. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.